Be the reason someone smiles today. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing us how I revamp and style an old wig for a client. If you're interested in seeing the finished look, keep watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here's a quick tip. When combing out a wig, make sure you start from the tips and work your way up to the roots. For this hair, I used the Suave Almond Plus Sheer Butter Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner, and I left it to air dry for about a few hours. Next up, I'm sectioning the hair into smaller parts so it'll be easier for me to style. And boy, was it a struggle to find the right part to section because this unit was very dense. So bear with me. We're getting it together. Stay with me. Quick heads up, guys. If you see a hand popping up in the background, that was my beautiful sister trying to help out. So, yeah. To straighten up the hair, I'm going to be using a hot comb and a straightener to get a sleek result. I also made sure that I used a heat protectant. That's very important so we don't burn the hair off. So guys, this is the finished look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on notifications so you know when I upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Sending love and light your way. Mwah. Bye.